Alright, what up Garage fans?
Heidi ho and welcome to the shit show.
Welcome back to another episode of Soccer Garage, where we can do a drinking.
You can do it sober. Or drink with us, I really don't give a shit.
There you go, I'll toast to that.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Yes sir. Yeah. Oh, nice ice cold beer.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, it's always a good thing. Yes sir. Before we get into this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please, share with your friends.
Yeah, you want a little giggle?
Hey, we're the guys for you.
I'll be your clown.
That you are.
That's why you keep me around.
There you go. Now, for anybody that knows us as a group or individually, you would know that we are Samsung guys.
Android for life.
All day, every day. That's just how we roll. Most of the TVs in our homes, Samsung.
Mm-hmm.
Our phones, Samsung. Our tablets, Samsung.
Yeah, fucking you. Well, me too, I guess. Refrigerator.
Yeah. Refrigerator. Oven.
Everything.
Yes, everything.
Samsung.
So, today's video is a little bit out of our realm. You know,
I still don't get it.
well, you know, hey, we got to be fair for the viewers.
I get it.
You understand?
Well, I get that, but...
Yeah. So, I like, you know, we talk a lot of shit about Apple products, right? You know, everybody in the code and all that kind of stuff like that. But today's video, if you haven't guessed, is an Apple unboxing. I actually paid a trip, you know, for you guys.
You did more than pay a trip to the fucking store. Well, you paid an arm and a fuck leg.
Yeah.
At the store.
Yeah. Well, you know, hey, you want to get things done, you got to get things done.
And we don't get paid for this shit.
Exactly.
I hate this was not sent to us fucking by anybody.
So once we do the review, you will see and get our honest opinion on it. All right. Again, we're Samsung guys. So what did we get, you may ask? Well, got the new iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. I did get the 128 gig version. It is Wi-Fi and cellular because I want to make sure that I'm able to use this thing on the go.
128 gigs?
Yeah, 128 gigs. Now, I did not opt for the higher versions because, you know, well, they do have the, let's see, you can get it in 256 gigs, 512, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. Now, again, one of the biggest reasons we are Samsung guys is the extra storage.
Yeah.
Most of the Samsung tablets, phones, and everything like that come with SD card slots. So you can, you know, expand your memory up to, up to a terabyte.
Well, 2 terabytes nowadays, at this point.
Well, it's still a terabyte. I think it's the highest they support.
In the micro SD, yeah.
Yeah, in the micro SD. So, you know, but again, I'm big on external hard drives and things like that. I don't like storing like any of our footage, you know, from the videos and things like that on to the actual physical tablet or whatever I'm going to be doing the editing on. Because, you know, you may lose that shit or it may break or something like that. So, and then it kind of slows down and bogs up the system when it's stored, you know, on the actual physical thing. Right? So, now.
Or in 3 weeks when Apple comes out with a new product.
With a new product. Right.
They delete yours and you can no longer get an update. So
exactly. Now, the 128 gig version Wi-Fi cellular actually did run me around, I think, $1,300. So, but we're gonna see if it's actually worth it, right?
You know, I got a fucking 82-inch Samsung TV for the same price.
Yeah, I know. But of course, then not only did I do that, I of course had to get and try out the new Magic Keyboard. Now, this thing ran me $350. All right. And of course, I just wanted to get a smart folio case just to make sure that when I'm not using the keyboard,
Oh, good Christ.
that I can actually, just carry it around and make sure it doesn't break. Because of course, as we've seen, most people that have Apple products, their iPhones are always cracked. I don't like cracked screens. As you can see, this is my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I've had this thing 8 months. Never dropped it, never cracked the screen, nothing.
Well,
so
it's built with quality. It's
we're gonna
Samsung.
see. And then of course, I did have to get.
Oh, you have to get the screen protector.
The screen protector. Make sure I had to get the screen protector.
At the low price of what, $1,400?
No. Well, for what? The screen protector?
Yeah.
No, screen protector was only like $12. I got this shit from Amazon. I didn't get this shit.
Oh, you didn't get it from Apple. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right.
I'm not crazy.
Oh, at least we got
Not
that
too
going
crazy.
for us.
So,
do you know how many likes and subscribes it's gonna take for you to make your money?
well, here's the thing. I wanted it. I bought it. And I want to be able to give you guys an honest opinion on how it actually works.
All right. You know what?
So I want to make sure that, before you guys go run out and buy this shit, that, someone that's actually not in the whole Apple ecosystem and a part of the Apple family, so to speak, I want to be able to give you guys an honest opinion on, hey, if it's good, it's good.
And I will do my absolute best to
Yeah.
do the same. I promise nothing, but I will do the same.
If it's good, it's good. If it's a good product, it's a good product. Now, I could have went with the 11-inch screen, but of course, yeah, I like my what? Okay, that's definitely getting cut. But I like my screens big when I'm doing my editing and things like that. So, getting older, you know what I mean? So gotta make sure I'm able to see the shit that I'm editing. So we'll see how good it is for editing our YouTube videos. I may even do a video on trying to use this iPad as my daily driver instead of using my entire, custom built
Conglomerate
computer
over here
setup.
Yeah.
I don't know. We will see. I don't think I'll be able to do it.
I mean,
I don't think I'll be able to do it. Not this thing for.
what's the processor like? You think you could?
Well, it comes with the new M1 chip in it, so this thing is supposed to be lightning fast, transfer speeds. So but again, I don't know. I'm not an Apple guy, so I don't even know how their system really works. So I guess once we get this thing open, pull everything out of the box, get it set up, and all that kind of fun stuff. Yeah, I gotta play around with it for a little bit.
All right.
So let's get to this unboxing. as you can see.